gabi na. Mag 9 o'clock ng gabi pero sige pa rin kami ng trabaho dito sa garden. Ayan, binubuhuan namin para magtanim kami ng beans. Ayan. So doon tapos na rin kanina. Dito tapos na rin kanina pero ito kailangan pang lagyan. So magtanim kami ng beans ngayon para sa summer makakuha na tayo ng bunga. Ayan. So, thank you so much for watching. This ng beans. It's a little without camera man. So, okay, we are harvesting the beans here. This is my green beans, and we need to harvest it. There's a lot of beans in this plot, so I'm so lucky that there is beans growing also here in Norway. It's a little bit hard now because I don't have time last Sunday to pick, so the beans here become little bit hard. So but it's okay. What we can do? See this? So many beans. Sometimes they are hiding, so you need to check. You need to check in the under because they are hiding under. See this? This one is a little bit hard already. To pick every Sunday, so it will not become hard, but we'll see also. It's fun to pick the beans if you are planting your own. I will show you guys my beans here. This is my beans here. So it's a lot, quite lot. See? Hindi lang yang isa, hindi lang yang dalawa, hindi lang yang tatlo, hindi lang yan apat, at may panglima pa. At pang-anim. Yan, di ba? Ang dami.